Oh yeah, I'm doing an unboxing today. iPad Pro, supposedly with the nano texture glass. The Apple Pencil Pro, which cost me quite a bit. We won't be needing this because we will be using the nano texture. And there's this case, which I'll probably not be using for too long because I ordered something way better and it's on its way. The magnetic switch keyboard. I'll unbox the keyboard first. And I'm doing this video because I want to keep a record in case something goes wrong. My wife wasn't really happy about me making such a big purchase. It's not a cheap decision to make on your own without explaining things to my wife. Oh man, this is actually kind of heavy. Feels really premium. You know, for someone who does as much typing as I do, this is going to be a dream. Bluetooth? I don't know if it's charged. Let's charge it. There's actually a bunch of accessories down here. This is gifted from the vendor, which means it's probably low quality, very average. It does have a holder for the Pencil Pro. Pencil Pro. Designed by Apple in California. Alright, this is the Pencil Pro. But got some wrapping paper on it. Is there anything underneath here? How do you even charge this thing? Next item, got the iPad Pro. Oh crap. Oh wow. This looks actually really premium. Oh, it's really thin. The thinness on this thing is no joke. Nano texture glass. But it's already attracting a lot of fingerprints. But it feels really premium. My goodness. Okay, so we've got the charging cable. And we have a charging block. I didn't know they delivered with a charging block. I bought my own. It's a 20 watt. I thought they charged at like north of 60 watts. Anything else underneath? Oh, yeah, we need this. This is for the nano glass. I remember now. Cleaning the display. Clean your iPad Pro display only with the included polishing cloth. A 70% isopropyl alcohol solution may be used. Do not spray solution directly on the display. It's even got the Apple logo on it, but you kind of have to go over it multiple times. Like with any brand new electronics, I'm handling it with extra care, a level of care that I can't maintain over the course of my ownership of this item. Oh, there we go. The Apple Pencil is actually thicker than the iPad. Turn it on. Good so far. Can I use this? Is this thing even charged? I don't know why I can't use it. Select your region. Set up new iPad. Yes, continue. Place this image. My AT&T eSIM is now active. That's weird because I don't have it. I don't have AT&T. Siri, how's the weather? It's ready. Multitasking, windowing. Full screen apps. Full screen window app. What is this? Choose a preferred web. Okay, so get started. Anyway, I think this is all I'm going to do for this unboxing video. All I can tell you is that this is a premium machine, and I like the feel of it in my hand so far, and I look forward to using it for my daily tasks.